Imagine saving $20,000 in just 1 year. That might sound impossible, but in this video, I'm sharing my step-by-step guide on exactly how I did it. My mission was clear: save $20,000 in 12 months. Whether you're saving for a down payment, an emergency fund, or travel, these proven strategies will help you reach your goals. The first phase is crucial: assessment and goal setting. You need to know where you are before you can plan where you're going. Start by calculating your net income and meticulously logging all your existing expenses. Get a clear picture of your current financial reality. To hit $20,000 in a year, I set a non-negotiable monthly savings target of $1,667. Break down your big goal into manageable monthly amount. Don't let your savings sit idle. Choose a dedicated high-yield savings account to maximize returns on your cash while it's waiting to hit that $20,000 mark. Phase 2 is where the groundwork pays off: budgeting and tracking. This phase is all about controlling your cash flow. Implement a zero-based budget. Every dollar is assigned a job, differentiating between essential needs and non-essential wants. This provides total clarity. The best way to save is to automate it. Set up automatic transfers to move your target savings amount immediately after you get paid. Pay yourself first. Tracking is non-negotiable. Use an app or a simple spreadsheet to log every single dollar spent. Awareness is the first step to control. Next, we move to phase 3, cutting high-impact expenses. Small cuts matter, but big cuts get you to $20,000 faster. Become an expert negotiator. Call your providers and negotiate lower rates for insurance, subscriptions, and utilities. Even a small reduction saves hundreds over a year. Housing is usually the largest expense. Consider downsizing or finding a reliable roommate. This action can provide the biggest boost to your savings target. Cut back aggressively on dining out and food delivery. Meal prep and cooking at home save a staggering amount of money. Every delivery fee is money lost on your goal. Phase 4 is about offense, increasing income. If you can't cut anymore, you need to earn more. Look for high-value side income opportunities that leverage your skills. Whether it's gig work, consulting, or starting a small online side hustle, the extra cash goes straight to savings. Declutter and earn. Sell unused items lying around your house. Old clothes, electronics, or furniture can quickly add a few $100s to your savings pool. If possible, ask for a raise or take on additional freelance assignments. Increasing your primary income stream is the most direct path to hitting your $20,000 goal. The final phase is sustaining momentum and regular review. Staying motivated and flexible is key for the long haul. Check your progress against the $20,000 goal every month. Seeing that number grow provides huge motivation to stick with your plan. Be prepared to adjust. If you overspent 1 month, find a way to cut deeper the next. If you earned extra, immediately transfer it to your savings account to get back on track. And that's it. By following these 5 phases, I successfully saved $20,000 in 12 months. Consistency and commitment are your greatest assets. You can do this too.